Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create this nice investment website. So this investment script is one of the best investment script you can get so far. So this script has a lot of features and you can do a whole lot of things with this particular investment script. So I'm going to be showing you how to set everything up and how you can also get this particular script. But before I get started, if you're new to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get notification for that. So for you to be able to create this investment website, so the first thing you need to get, you need a domain name and your hosting. So once you get your domain name and your hosting, then you can be able to move on to the next step. If you don't know how to, you can be able to get your domain name and hosting, please kindly check the video in the description. So this video is going to give you the knowledge on how you can be able to get your domain name and hosting, domain name and your hosting. So and you are logged into your cPanel. The first thing we need to do, you need to scroll down to our PHP version. So you select the PHP version. So you just come to softwares, then you're going to see select PHP version. So just tap on this option here. So we just need to change our PHP version to match the script version so that it can be able to work. So in every script there is a specific PHP version for that particular script to work. So now let's just change our own to the required PHP version. So as you can see, my PHP version here is 8.0. So I think this particular script requires 8.1. So let's select 8.1 here, then you click on apply, and add-on domain is going to one of these folder here with name. So let's go for public underscore html. Then in this place now we need to upload our script. Just click on upload and select your script. So now let's select our script. You just need to click on the select files button. So now we need to select our script. So this is the script here. Just double tap on it and the upload is going to begin. So for you to be able to get this script, you just need to tap the link in the description. Then you are going to be directed to a page that you are going to get this particular template. So why this file is uploading, so we need to go back to our file manager and then go back to the main page, which is the cPanel. Then we are going to scroll to database. So let's create our database. Just come to this database option, then you click on my SQL database. So in this place now we need to create our database. So by doing that, first we need to input our database name. So I'm going to use this, or let me just use Hyip. Then click on create. Then we need to go back. Then we need to create a user for this database. So I'm also going to use the same name, which is Hyip. Then the password, we need to use a password. By doing that, just click on password generator. Then you copy this particular password. So make sure you copy this password and paste it in a safe place. Then after that, just click I have copied this password in a safe place. Then click on use password. Then after that, just click on create user. So now we need to add this user to the database so that they can be able to communicate with each other side. Add the user to database. Then you click on, just select the database name and the user. So you're going to say Hyip, which is the two database that I just created. Then just click on add after you have selected them. So after you have clicked on add, you click on all privileges, then you click on make changes. Okay, so we are done with the database. Then let's go to our file. So you can see that the upload is now complete. So make sure that this turns to green before you can be able to go back. So once the upload is now complete, then we need to go back. So in this place now, we need to extract this folder. By doing that, just tap on it, then you right click, then you click on extract, or you can click on this button here, extract, to extract the file. Alright, so look at the files here. So we just extracted our file now. So now we just need to delete this, do some configuration in this folder. So there is some particular folder we need to see here which is not available. So we just need to come to settings. In case in your own case you don't see the folder or the file, you just need to come to these settings. So once you come to the settings, just click on show hidden files. So click on show hidden files and click on save. So now you can see that we now have the folder that we want to edit. So you can just come to this env file, tap on it, then you click on edit. So now we just need to change the database name and the database username and the password. We're going to be redirected to this page. So in this side now, we need to input our, you can see the database, the username, and database password. So now password here. So this is our password, and we copy the database name. So this is the database name. So you copy the database name, then go back to this file, then we replace it with this one. Then we also do the same because I use same name for the both username and password. Then after that, you just click on save changes. So once you click on save changes, then we need to go back to our PHP my admin. So now we need to come to our PHP my admin. So you just need to come to this database, then you come to PHP my admin. Just click on it. So now you are going to be directed to the PHP my admin page. So this is the PHP my admin page here now. So the next step we need to do, we need to import the database of this particular script. So by doing this, you just need to select the name, the database name that we just created. So you can see that this is the database name and it's Hyip. Just tap on it. So then once you tap on it, then you are going to come to this import section. So click on this import section. Then for you to be able to get the file to upload here, so you need to come to your file manager. So come to your file manager, so then you come to this folder db, double tap on it, then you download this folder. So just download this folder, then we are going to install it. So now let's go back. Then once the folder is done downloading, you just need to upload it. So the folder is now downloaded to my laptop. So let me just choose the folder. Then just locate the folder where you save it. So this is the folder here. Then so this is the file. Just double tap on it, then you scroll down and click on import. Okay, the importation is now complete. So now let's refresh. So you can see that the script is now installed. So you can just register an account. Then you can just create an account. Just do anything with this script. So now if you want to get the full video on how you can be able to set the script up, both the investment plan, the email, set up everything. So once you purchase this script, then you will be given the full video on how you can be able to set up everything in this particular script. So see you in my next video.